People come in, they want some calm in their life, peace and serenity. And amethyst is this. It's great for meditation. People come in and looking for help in their love life or just love in general. And so we always recommend a rose quartz for that. Another one is for abundance. Money certainly falls in the abundance category, but also just abundance generally, a full life. And that's for natural citrine. And the final one that I would say is generally for healing is clear quartz, because it's the stone of balance. And really, when someone's looking for healing, something's out of balance. That's why they call it dis-ease. Working with crystals, it's all about feel and the energy and the connection that an individual has with a crystal. I mean, someone can have a small crystal and keep it either on their desk or even smaller one and put it, whether it's in their purse or their pocket, if they want to have it with them all day long. Some people like to put a larger crystal in a space to create energy in the space. And then there's also, these are called wands. A lot of people and healers particularly use wands to actually direct the energy to certain parts of the body.